Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps from the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To hide apps from home screen, press and hold on an app you want to hide, then tap on remove. It will not uninstall the app, it will only remove it from the home screen and it will still appear in the app drawer. As you can see, I can do the same with other apps. For example, let's add Ampere to the home screen, like that. And now when I press and hold on it, I can click on remove and it's still here, but not here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.